Hi to everybody, my name is Edison Montañez, and in this video I'm going to talk about the first task of the course, translation techniques. I present to you this mind map where I'm going to mention the definition of two concepts of translation, translating and interpreting. Also, I'm going to tell you the differences and similarities. Here we go. Okay, translating and interpreting. Translating is the process of transferring or writing text from one language to another. And interpreting is the act of converting spoken language from one language to another. Translating is an intercultural mediator that unites one culture and language, and interpreting is a sociocultural mediator to possess the necessary skills to prepare to knowledge for language and culture. The translating facilitates communication between two or more parties involved in the dialogue. And the interpreting may be simultaneous or consecutive. Difference. The difference are for example, the interpreter listen and speak, and the translator read and write. The interpretation is done in real time and immediately, and the translation is done within a period of time. The translator must be very precise in the translation. It must be literal, and the interpreter has more freedom to express the message according to the cultural vocabulary. Similarities. It is necessary to have a good knowledge of the working language at a complex level. Both have the objective of effective retaining and communicating the message. Their skill developed with professional training and experience. Both convey a message from one language to another. These were the difference and similarities of two concepts that is very important to start this process of know the different methodologies and techniques of translation. Thank you so much.